Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the Drive Guide. You join me just leaving the car wash as I returned the Lincoln back to the manufacturer. Now, I have thoroughly enjoyed my time with this car. This is definitely one of the few vehicles I have had in my possession that I didn't want to give the key back to, and that distinction is reserved to this, the Honda Accord, and the Mazda MX-5. Maybe the Mazda CX-9 makes that list as well, but this thing is something truly special. I've got more questions and more interested viewing eyes in this car than any other vehicle. Maybe that contributes that I'm a young kid with a $100,000 SUV and perhaps people have some questions, but overall the reaction to this car has been very positive. And something that has been pointed out to me by the fairer sex is the space that you have down here. Now, I pointed it out in my review saying that it's a great feature and I wish more cars had it. And there were quite a few women that I had in this car. They all said, finally, a place where I can put my purse, because they say that they don't want to throw it on the floor or on the seat because it's too far away and open it up and it's all just a disorganized mess. But with this, because it's right down here and easily accessible, you can get to your purse and take out whatever it is you need with no real issues. So that's a great touch, and perhaps other car manufacturers will take note. The screen had a little hiccup earlier today. It just wouldn't want to connect to Apple CarPlay, but just unplugging it from the USB and doing it again, that solved the issue pretty quickly. Still though, my favorite little feature is those different animations for the drive modes. I want to see this in more cars. I think it's brilliant. Employ more motion graphic designers. Come on, surely there's a few of them out there that don't have work. I have now been driving this car for around 900 kilometers. It's a bit much. I'm definitely not proud of myself for that. But I have been able to average 13.3 liters for every 100 kilometers. With a full tank, it's saying that the range of this is 685 kilometers. And I am not looking forward to giving this car back. It's not a car I could ever really need. I don't have the lifestyle of shifting around a whole bunch of people and their things, and I certainly don't have the money to drop $100,000 into a big SUV like this. But man, when it comes to the day that I have won the lottery and I've got money to blow, I'm really going to consider one of these. So that's really been it for this installment of 1 week later. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you again here on the Drive Guide.